I've got a real head scratcher today.
You know I can solve it, Sammy.
Mrs. Phillips' window was smashed, and the only piece of evidence was this single strand of hair. How are we supposed to figure this out?
This is an easy one, Sammy. We'll analyze the hair. Do you have samples from the suspects?
Yes, I do. But how will we analyze them? They're all so small.
Well, look here. We can use a microscope to look closely at the hair.
Oh, okay, I got it. But how do we set up the microscope?
We'll take the little glass slide and place each hair on one. Then we'll insert the slide into the microscope, turn on the light, and take a picture.
Okay.
And the next one. And here's the second one. And the next one. Look at this, Sammy. See how different they are?
Yes, I see.
And look, two of them match.
Yes, suspect number one, lot of bad. Thanks, Bea. I'll go bring her in.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time. I wonder if Lot of Bad is her real name.